Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Mathvbn channel. In this video, I will teach you this question, antiderivative integration question, and how to solve it. Look like difficult but not difficult. It's very simple question. How? Let's watch the video. Integration sign, root of 2x plus 3 dx. How? First of all, if any function have root, its value will be 1 over 2. Clear? Now, 2x plus 3 raise 1 over 2 dx. Now apply this formula x root n dx. Now it will be x raised power n plus 1, same power n plus 1 over here, and d over dx of this function after ignoring the power. After ignoring the power, d over dx. Now see here, 2x plus 3, 1 over 2 plus 1, 1 over 2 plus 1, and d over dx of this value. Clear? Apply this formula. Now 2x plus 3 raised power 3 over 2. When you solve 1 over 2 plus 1, it will be 3 over 2. Similarly, 3 over 2 over here, d over dx of this function is 3 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 0, it is equal to 2. Clear? It will be 2. Derivative of this function is, derivative means constant separate, d over dx 1, and when we apply d over dx on constant 3, it will be 0 because the derivative of the constant function, constant number is 0. So 0 and 2 ones are to cut this and it will be c constant. Now 2x plus 3 raised 3 by 2 over 2 plus c. This is the answer. Friends, very simple question. If you know the formula, if you know the technique to solve these kind of question, and very simple. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video. If you think this is useful, this video is useful for you, then like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.